goes pretty good.
This one's called Killer Bees.
Killer bees.
Kick it.
Yep.
Oh my God. I just realized something.
What?
I bet Sirius is carrying on. Barking.
I bet.
I hope you
Watch
don't
this
tip
one.
over. Oops, that was...
It ain't done. Oh wow. What? Yeah, that's awesome.
Dang, that was a long-lasting one.
It's done. I'm gonna launch a big one right here, so you got to look this way. Just one big one. I'm not gonna do all
Make
of
sure it doesn't tip over. Okay.
them. Make sure it doesn't tip over. Got a 30 pound.
Fucking long tooth, right at the street. And son of a bitch, it was a fly, but if it hit something, that motherfucker would chase you through the yard. Daddy loved them. Hey, we used to have to go every 4th of July and every New Year's Eve. And Daddy would spend about $400 for them fireworks.
Comes the car. Holy.
I'm gonna run over your fucking tooth, Mike.
Move it, hurry. Watch out, Bubba.
What is that?
Yeah, that doesn't happen.
There's a Roman candle, John.
Right now. Wow. That almost
What?
got you. Yeah. The back end of
Don't get blown up.
it. Don't get burned up.
Why did these Japanese folks have a fucking party today? Ron? Yeah. The other day, you get down the fucking street and the cars are out in the fucking yard road.
And this is just a $6 box.
Really?
Yep.
Hey, Sarge. 6?
What baby?
Car.
50.
Fire. Halt.
Was that supposed to do that?
That was a defective one. That's why I backed up.
Did it blow the canister up? Huh?
They just called you a genius.
I thought you called him Jesus.
Did it blow that thing up? No, it didn't blow the tube up.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
I thought you called him Jesus.
No, I thought it was fucking genius. I didn't let that cool off for a minute. Probably why I did that. It's too hot. Anyway. What else you do, show me? Shut up.
I told you this was funny. You had coming.
Hey, hell, I found me some stuff off the car. Car. Got one car light out. What? You got a rumble key out here in the yard. A what? I don't need it there.
You said I'm going to.
Right there, by your feet.
Friendship. What are you?
That's there's an electric line there. There's an electric line there.
Huh.
Almost had it. Oh, God.
Moron, don't point that shit over here.
Shut up, Doug. Alright, little fountain.
It says fuse inside.
Okay.
Shoot you in the ass.
You just said you were going to.
What is that one? Little fountain.
Friendship fountain. That's what it says. You judge me. What's it? It's not upside down, is it?
No.
Okay. Oh. Don't mess with it.
They try to shoot you in the ass.
Mine. You didn't, did you? What are you lighting?
Morning glory.
Oh, okay. Morning glory. Sometimes those paper ones don't do right.
Well, you gotta get to the fuse.
Mm.
It's down in here. Come on. Like that. Here you go.
No, Goober.
Give it to me.
Wait.
The sparkler. Goober.
Fucking burn me with that damn thing.
Give me
Y'all
one.
gonna wind up in the emergency room with a black eye.
Yeah, you are.
I don't want him in the emergency room. Burnt leg.
They just tried to burn us up, didn't they, baby?
What?
Yeah.
Smoke bomb.
That's why I never wear shorts. Never wearing shorts again.
Smoke
What
bomb.
color is it?
White.
What?
Racist.
It's white smoke.
You don't like black folks. That's a weird looking one.
You got a smoke bomb?
That's what that is, yep.
Did you drive from the hood to the smoke
Yeah.
closed area?
And this one's called Jack in the Box.
I wonder what all they got for boys.
Or nothing.
Probably a $10 kit like I bought. Probably.
Chill.
I'm sorry.
No, I mean, don't want you to get hurt is what I meant.
So that's cool. Look, the jumping jacks. Oh, nice. I gotta hold it. Here's the snap.
most of them. There's a boxer Randy too. Big son of a bitch. You got it?
Yep.
Whoa!
What?
Okay. Here's a little pretty cool. I know. Here's a little golden flower.
Golden shower.
Flower.
Is that what I said?
No.
Might you?
No, they're going around. It ain't going to hit them.
I ain't worried about them. I'm worried about not seeing it. Okay. Right? Golden shower.
This one says color pearl.
I need a lighter so I can set the spot on fire. You said I could set it on fire.
No, I didn't.
Oh, yes, you did. No, he said I could set the spot on fire. I can't see it.
I can see that. It's got a bunch of color. That's cute.
Mm-hmm.
I want to put all these in here and set them on fire.
No, you stay right there. Don't have much left. That's all the big stuff,
So,
except for the big boom.
big boom.
Big boom? What's the big boom?
The ones that they fire.
You do like it through the jackass, maybe bottle rocket left.
No. These are the little ground flowers, whatever they are.
Oh, that's what
Oh, I love the ones that spin.
Mm-hmm. Man.
Oh,
those.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like those.
I like those.
I like it.
You making fun of me?
They are.
That's
all
fine.
off at once.
Let's see how it knows.
That's hard to do.
Unless you twist them. They mess with you, so you'll go check on them. That one's
That one
retarded.
was retarded.
Yeah, I'm making a video.
Not with Daddy.
They try to trick you. Hey, have you seen those jumbo ones?
Yeah, I've seen the big one.
Don't go. Move.
Yes. I was just moving this big
Thought you were
glass
going to
over
pick
here.
it up.
Huh?
Thought you were going to pick it up. I was like, don't do that. Oh, God.
Tank versus tank.
You know, verses.
Game on.
Damn road.
Hold on, Michael.
He obviously doesn't speak English. You can't. It's too rocky there. They're not gonna.
Watch.
Oh my goodness.
Ah, he overshot him. Get him.
He's right in front of him. How'd he miss?
Oh! Oh, he fucked him up. There he goes. Ah, he got the last shot.
The heck?
Well, yeah, he got him again. Michael, you missed that. But it's
That one's on fire. That one's on fire. That one tank's on. That one tank is on fire. That tank is on fire.
They wanted like $6 for a box of 2. Yeah.
They,
$6 for a box of 2.
yep.
I got the hen laying egg.
Put it on a smoother part.
I will, the tank. But this.
There was one there called Poopy Dog.
Yeah. Pooping dog.
No, Poopy Dog.
I've seen that.
Poopy dog.
It was like, and it had little wheels on it. Poopy Dog. What is that? Poopy Dog?
Hen laying egg.
Aw, it's laying rainbow eggs.
Here, let me put the tank out here. This is the
Wait,
tank
a
out.
car's coming. Car's coming.
I know.
Car. 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 Car.
The little green
You know
tank.
what? Y'all stop making.
Tank, car, tank.
It has wheels. Why didn't it go? Dang, that tank should have been in the last battle. Or not. Not.
Still spitting.
That tank was pathetic.
Yeah, you're awful good. You need to think of a spinning battery. He's got a good name for everything. These are the spinning batteries. Yeah, these are the ones that really spin, actually.
He said that like that was their actual name. This tank is on fire.
All these in your hand.
Oh, those are the saucers.
Mm-hmm.
The spinning, what you call them?
Bastards.
That's a bit. That's their scientific name.
Artificial satellite.
Satellite. Satellite. I'm scared.
I
Oh,
think I put it upside down the
I
wrong
think
way.
you did too. Here you go.
I got plenty of them.
Yeah, that's a little silver one. Come in a roll.
Satellite.
Yeah.
Ain't that what I said? Satellite.
Sometimes when they go up, they go.
What do they do? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
That mock commercial, Heather.
Yeah, there you go. No, I was thinking of Xenon. Zoom, zoom,
Yeah, that
zoom. Made my
old-
heart go boom, boom. You don't know what that is. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know. That's old school.
Came out in 2003. You shut up, dud.
Dud, you shut up, Dud.
Oh, Duddy. You better be sorry.
I'll catch a big toe on fire.
Who? Bo. Haley, well,
Yeah, they're not as good as the ones that used to be.
Ain't nothing as good as nothing.
zoom, zoom, zoom.
Doug, shoot these off. They're just